I bet you didn't know your HVAC ducts could be harboring more dust than your attic. Let's talk duct cleaning. Alright, let's break it down. HVAC duct cleaning isn't just about keeping things tidy, it's about your health and efficiency. Imagine breathing in fresher, cleaner air every single day. Sounds good, right? Dirty ducts can circulate dust, allergens, and even mold spores throughout your space. This can trigger allergies, asthma, and other respiratory issues. No one wants that. Regular duct cleaning improves your indoor air quality, making your environment healthier and more comfortable. But it's not just about health. Clean ducts mean a more efficient HVAC system. Less dust and debris mean your system doesn't have to work as hard. This leads to lower energy bills and a longer lifespan for your equipment. It's a win-win. Now let's talk tech. The latest advancements in duct cleaning use robotics and AI to ensure every nook and cranny is spotless. These cutting-edge tools make the process faster and more thorough than ever before. And guess what? Our HVAC duct cleaning service is available worldwide. No matter where you are, we've got you covered. From bustling cities to remote towns, we're committed to providing top-notch service. So don't wait. Breathe easier and save on energy costs by scheduling your HVAC duct cleaning today. Visit our website or give us a call to book your appointment. Your lungs and wallet will thank you. Remember, clean ducts are happy ducks. And happy ducks mean a happier, healthier you.